Hi again everyone, Sunday, June 18th, looking at the Astro Excel chart for the week ahead. You can see that last week the pattern followed fairly good. We were slightly out of phase from this high here. And that downturn, it came a little bit early there. Sometimes you'll see the overall pattern will be intact, but the price action can move out of phase, so we've peaked out here as we come into the Sunday evening start of the trading, and we've got downward pressure from this plus 17 area where we opened tonight all the way down to the early morning of the 21st, Wednesday morning, about 3 a.m. Then we start to push up. We push up until 1900 on the 21st, then we've got to dip back down to 3 a.m. on the 22nd, and then we're pushing up through the 22nd to the 23rd, and we get back up to the 10 line. So we've got pretty strong movement in both directions this week as we're moving from the plus 17 down to the minus 20 area, and then pushing back up to the plus 10. You can see the blue line, not many spikes outside the 10. We have the one on the 20th, 3:33 a.m. We've got a spike low. Then we've got a spike low on the 21st, right around the open at 9:25. And then we don't break outside the 10s until Thursday at the open at 9:30. So we could get an important pivot right at the day session open there. And then we break outside a bit here in the slow hours, and then on Friday 10:40 when we have this spike high, it gets up to about plus 17. So there's a look at the trend projection for the week ahead.